Now we're going to take a look on how to read some sight music, or sight read some music written out for B major. You notice we have all these sharps, 5 sharps. That's how you know you're in your B major. Remember, use all those black notes. That's where all those sharps come in. And B is found right here on the middle line of the staff. And how we read music is each line and space is a note in the scale. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So if we were going to count down this note, we would have 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. So we have a sharp 4 going to a 5. So very easy to see those patterns. And these are basic note values. We have a quarter note, 4 quarter notes to a beat. This quarter note's tied, so we have 1, 2, 4. This is a dotted quarter, and this is an eighth note. So this gets 1.5 beats, and this gets a half a beat. So we have 1, 2, and ba and this is a triplet, a quarter note triplet. So what a triplet does is it squeezes these 3 notes into 2 beats. So 3 quarter notes equals 2 beats. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's how you read that basic value there. And you notice our left hand looks really busy, but you're just playing root chord, 5th chord, root chord, 5th chord. So you just do your basic B major. So you just go through and play that basic stuff. And now we're going to start with our right hand. So we start on our sharp 4 to 5, and then it goes to natural 6 to up to 6. So we have sharp 4 to 5, up to 6, and then we have 6, 7, 6, 5. So we're going to do that right here. So we start right on the... Again, sharp 4 to 5 to 6. And that's your first measure of Accordion Love a Blues.